looks like. Let's grab yourself a bit of bite here. Just as the rain comes, as usual. So yeah, I was just about to shut everything down and get all my rain gear on. And I got a hit, so now I got to deal with this guy before I get soaking wet here. I had him on the wrong side of the boat too. Alright, just give me a second here. I'm going to walk this guy around. That's some angling skill right there. Whew, got a walleye head going tonight. So yeah, I was kind of hoping these fish were going to start to turn on back here. And I went and looked for an anchor rope for about an hour this morning. Couldn't find it, and then thought, you know what, I'm going to go try my spot. And yay! There he is. That's a nice walleye, man. Hooked perfect right in the corner of the mouth. Gorgeous. See you next year, baby. So yeah, stay tuned. I might get a real good bite going here. So see you when I see you. Peace.